guys! Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is another unboxing video. So as you can see, this is the Dyson Cyclone V10 Dok, and if you haven't watched my previous unboxing of the Dyson Cyclone V10 Fluffy vacuum, I will link that somewhere here so that you can watch it. For this video, we will unbox a docking system for that specific vacuum, which is the Cyclone V10. Why we decided to get this, because it comes with an additional tools that you can use with that Cyclone V10 vacuum. This will also help you to organize the tools that are included for this vacuum, and it will also easy for you to just grab it just like that whenever you want to clean something from the top of your shelf or your bed or your sofa, your carpet, or on the floor. Alright, so enough of the talking, let's start opening this box. I have my kitchen knife again. Okay, let's open this guy. Another small box. Oh, this is probably another tool that is included. I think we have the same thing that we got from the package of the Dyson vacuum. Oh yeah. Okay, so it's the same thing. We already have this, so I will probably just keep this for extra. Okay, put this inside. And another one. Oh, this is what you can use on your bed. You can see it. Okay, another set of tools. A small brush. A small brush. Later I will check all the names of these tools after we put it out all together. Oh. So cute. Oh, so cute. Okay, another one. Oh, another set of tools. These are the tools holder for the docking stand. Okay, this is one part of the stand. We'll remove this first. This is one part of the stand. Am I in the frame? So this is the body of the stand where you will place all your tools. Okay, what else? Okay, this is the main stand. Let me open this. It's just stand. Next, what else? Okay, that's all. That's all in the box. Nothing else. Now let's build this. The guide said, number 1, you need to lift this up. Which one? It's sliding. Not that. Oh, you need this. Okay, so. And another one, this one on top of it. And slide. There you go. You have your docking system. What else? Oh yeah, one more thing. All of this. We need to put it there. Can I have a Caesar? Here! I think this much better. Okay, we have 4 holders. These 2 will go on top of it. We have this hole. Slide it. That. Same thing with the other side. That. And this one too. This. Okay. And this one too. This is the wand holder. There you go. It's done. Alright guys, I need to search what are the names of the additional tools because it doesn't indicate in the manual. So I have it here on my phone. And we have here the up-top adapter, so it connects tools to the wand at different angles for effective cleaning in high-up areas. So this one, you need to attach it to the wand, and this one, attach your tools that you need to use to clean up on top of your shelf. And the next one is the mattress tool. So it's designed to remove dust and allergens from mattresses, cushions, and upholstery. So this one is quite helpful. And the next one is the extension hose. So cute. So this is flexes and extends for easier cleaning in shallow or hard to reach areas. So it's kind of like very useful as well, so that you don't need to move all of your furnitures or anything that, you know, hard to move. And the next one is the mini soft dusting brush that we already have. This one, we already have this on a previous package. Thank you. This other one, the other one is kind of like dirty because we use it already, so we have a new one. Thank you. And the last one is the stubborn dirt brush. So here it is. The brush is kind of like harder compared to the mini soft dusting brush. This one is designed for cleaning coarse or hard wearing carpets, doormats, and high traffic areas of your home and car. So you can use this outdoor in your garage area. And while the other one, which has the soft brush, this one is it has a soft bristles, lift dust and allergens from the flat surfaces and your furniture. So this one you can use on your furnitures, on top of it, or even on your glass furniture, because we use that. We already tried it. It works. So yeah, let's put everything in this docking system so that we can see how useful this is. Okay, so this one looks like, and probably this goes here. No, this one is like a puzzle. Okay, let's try if I'm good on puzzle. Okay, first is this is the mat and the soft bristle brush and this one, the up top extension. Okay, fits well. So this is the extension, the another extension, and this one I think is like this. Okay, I think it's correct. These are the additional tools that comes with the docking system. So basically, for what I felt, we just paid for the additional tools, and this is like a free one. So which is worth it, getting these additional tools that will help you clean your house, especially this mattress cleaner. So yeah, I think it's very worth it. You already have your Dyson vacuum, so this one is just an additional cleaning tools for you. So they are fit together, and just slide it in like that. So this is the actual docking system for the Dyson Cyclone V10 that comes with an additional tools. Yeah, so basically this is the entire items that you can see inside the box, or if you purchase the docking system for the Cyclone V10. It's worth it. Let's now try putting all together the vacuum V10 Cyclone on this docking system. So this is the entire docking system and how it looks like if you have your Dyson Cyclone V10 Fluffy and together with the dock. So easy and it's very organized. This is the other side. Nice. I like it. And the best part is you can charge it whenever you store your Dyson in here. That's all, folks. I hope this video is helpful and thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so that you'll get notification whenever I post a new video. I'll see you on the next one. Bye!